Guys, good evening, and here I'm again. We're at Havelock Island Beach Resort, the same hotel. We have checked in for 4 nights, and we're at the barbecue party at the beach. So this is the seafood. First thing I want to show you is a collection of seafood which they have here for your guests. So please have a look. There's a different kind of lobsters, prawns, there are tiger prawns, king prawns, medium prawns, and lots of different kind of fishes. This is a paradise for seafood eaters. Anyone who loves and cherishes seafood, you must visit Andaman, and especially Havelock Island. And you can see there is a party going on. It's a huge place actually. They have a barbecue here, open display of seafood, settings, outdoor settings, romantic beach settings for couples, for family, for anyone who visits here. You can see how beautifully the tables are decorated. Soon the people will be coming. There are already lots of people who are dancing. So we are waiting. We're gonna carry on our video shooting, and you will see some more unique videos coming up. Bon appetit.
On our skin, we are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can